Deep in the heart of Siberia, Russia, lies a mystery that has intrigued and baffled scientists for over a century. This is not just any mystery, but one that has left an indelible mark on the landscape and on the annals of scientific inquiry. A mystery that has puzzled scientists for over a century. It's a tale that begins with a fiery explosion, a cataclysmic event that flattened entire forests and left a question that still lingers to this day. What caused the Tunguska event? Picture this. A massive explosion, so powerful that it flattened trees in a radial pattern over an area of more than 2,000 square kilometers. The Tunguska Event, as it came to be known, is one of the most powerful explosions ever recorded in human history, yet it remains shrouded in mystery. Imagine a vast, remote forest, untouched by human hands, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the Siberian wilderness, a place of untamed beauty and hidden secrets. The year is 1908. The world is a different place, with vast, unexplored territories and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The morning of June 30th dawns like any other. The sun rises over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the forest. Birds chirp and the world seems at peace. But at 7:17 a.m., something extraordinary happens. The tranquility of the morning is shattered by an event so powerful it would be remembered for generations. A blinding light streaks across the sky, brighter than the sun, leaving a trail of fire in its wake. Witnesses describe it as a pillar of fire that descended from the heavens. The air explodes with the force of 1,000 thunderclaps. The sound is deafening, heard hundreds of miles away. The sky is lit up with a brilliant flash, and the ground shakes violently. The ground trembles for hundreds of miles. The shockwave from the explosion is so powerful, it is felt as far away as Europe. Buildings shake, windows shatter, and people are thrown off their feet. Trees are flattened like matchsticks over an area twice the size of London. The forest is left in ruins, with trees lying in a radial pattern, pointing away from the epicenter of the explosion. This, my friends, is the story of the Tunguska Event, an event that has left scientists scratching their heads for over a century, trying to piece together what happened on that fateful day. A story that takes us to the edge of scientific understanding and leaves us staring into the vastness of the cosmos. Was it a comet, an asteroid, or something else entirely? The mystery of the Tunguska event continues to captivate and challenge us, reminding us of the power and unpredictability of our universe. Witnesses describe the event with a mixture of awe and terror. It was a day that would be etched into their memories forever. The sky, once a serene canvas, transformed into a scene of unimaginable chaos. People from all walks of life, young and old, stood frozen in disbelief as the heavens seemed to tear apart. Some saw a fiery ball, blazing with an intensity that rivaled the sun itself. It streaked across the sky, leaving a trail of fire and smoke in its wake. The sheer brightness of the phenomenon was enough to make people shield their eyes, yet they couldn't look away. Others witnessed a column of light, piercing through the atmosphere like a divine spear. This radiant beam seemed to connect the earth to the heavens, casting an eerie glow over the landscape. It was as if the very fabric of reality had been altered. The heat from the blast was felt miles away. Windows shattered with a force that sent shards of glass flying through the air. Homes and buildings, once sturdy and secure, were left in ruins. The sheer power of the explosion was unlike anything the world had ever seen. People were knocked off their feet, their bodies thrown to the ground by the shockwave. Reindeer herds, which had roamed the land for centuries, were decimated in an instant. The landscape was forever changed, marked by the scars of this cataclysmic event. The sound of the explosion was heard as far away as London. Newspapers around the world reported on the mysterious event, speculating on its cause and origin. Theories ranged from a meteor strike to a secret weapon test, but no one could say for certain what had happened. Yet, despite the scale of the event, its location remained a mystery. The remote Tunguska region of Siberia, where the explosion occurred, was largely unexplored and inaccessible. Expeditions were launched to uncover the truth, but the harsh conditions and vast wilderness made the search difficult. The Siberian wilderness, vast and unforgiving, kept its secrets well hidden. The dense forests and treacherous terrain seemed to conspire against those who sought answers. To this day, the true cause of the Tunguska event remains one of the greatest mysteries of the modern era. Years passed before the first scientific expedition reached the Tunguska site in 1919. The expedition, led by Leonid Kulik, expected to find a massive crater, but there was none. Instead, they found millions of trees, all lying flat, pointing away from a central point. The evidence suggested an explosion in the atmosphere, not an impact. But what could have exploded with such force? The most widely accepted theory is that the Tunguska event was caused by an asteroid or a comet entering the Earth's atmosphere. These celestial wanderers, remnants from the early solar system, hurtle through space at incredible speeds. An object, perhaps 100 feet wide, could have entered the atmosphere, heated up due to friction, and exploded before hitting the ground. This airburst would explain the lack of a crater and the pattern of destruction. Section 5. A comet's fury. Some scientists favor the comet theory. Comets, made mostly of ice and dust, are less dense than asteroids. A comet could have disintegrated higher in the atmosphere, creating a more widespread shockwave. The lack of significant meteorite fragments at the site also supports the comet theory. The icy material would have vaporized almost entirely upon explosion. However, definitive proof remains elusive. Section 6. Could it be something else? The Tunguska event has also sparked more unconventional theories. Some suggest a natural gas explosion from deep within the Earth's crust. Others propose a mini black hole collision, an antimatter meteor, or even an alien spacecraft mishap. While intriguing, these theories lack scientific evidence and are considered highly improbable. The mystery for now remains unsolved. Section 7. Tunguska and Science. The Tunguska event, while shrouded in mystery, has had a profound impact on science. It highlighted the potential threat of cosmic impacts. The event spurred the development of planetary defense programs dedicated to detecting and tracking potentially hazardous objects in space. Tunguska serves as a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability in the vastness of space. Section 8. Echoes in popular culture. The Tunguska event has also captured the imagination of writers, filmmakers, and artists. It has been featured in numerous science fiction stories, novels, and films, often serving as a backdrop for tales of alien encounters, government conspiracies, and apocalyptic events. The event's enduring mystery continues to inspire speculation and creative exploration. Section 9. The mystery endures. Despite over a century of research, the Tunguska event remains one of the greatest scientific enigmas of our time. The lack of a definitive explanation only adds to the event's allure. Was it an asteroid, a comet, or something else entirely? The answer, hidden in the Siberian wilderness, continues to elude us. Pause 3S. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Chronicles of Curiosity for more intriguing content. Join us as we continue to explore the mysteries of our world and beyond. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.